How to create a data frame with fruits and colors example. This line imports the Pandas library and gives it the alias pd, which is commonly used as a shorthand for Pandas. This creates a Python dictionary called data. The dictionary has two keys, fruit and color, and each key maps to a list of values. This line creates a Pandas.DataFrame called df, which is based on the data dictionary. The pd.DataFrame function takes the dictionary as its argument and converts it into a data frame. This line simply prints the data frame. The output shows the data frame with its two columns, fruit and color, and 3 rows of data. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.